easiest answer is trusting your gut. I think a lot of the times, especially with men, we fall into this idea of the I'm not enjoying spending time with this person, but I feel this sense of obligation. It's like they've already invested this much time with me. I told them that I'm the only person they're talking to, but I don't subscribe to that, right? At the end of the day, if I can't enjoy spending time with you, if I don't want to spend more time with you one on one, if we can't sit there and when we're together, it seems like time is just running and you're losing track of any and all time. I don't get the urge to pick up my phone and I just want to spend more time with you, then I'm going to keep dating you. But if I'm not getting these signs, usually it's either one of two things. Either one, we should stop dating, or two, one or both of us just has too many walls up. And because we still have our walls up, we're not really being able to establish that connection. But at the end of the day, it takes two to tango, the same way it takes two people to date. So it's really in just being honest about how you're feeling as openly and as quickly as possible. That way to make sure that no one gets their time wasted or their feelings hurt.